A young parrotlet has big black eyes, that will most likely become a light brown color as it matures. During their first molt, they will shed their baby feathers and grow in their adult plumage. Usually happens around 4 months old. These are instinctual behaviors that parrotlets do in the wild during mating season. Encouraging these behaviors for entertainment purposes can lead to stress and negative health consequences. A parrotlet's way of warning you and saying no. These behaviors that look similar to a yawn can serve multiple purposes. As a parrotlet's beak grows and wears down, new layers constantly replace old ones, which keeps it strong and functional. A parrotlet's play is very enthusiastic, and characterized by energetic and animated behaviors. When they discover that certain actions can lead to exciting outcomes, like getting treats for doing tricks or making objects move, they become even more eager to explore and learn. Your parrotlet may even bite you when you try to join in on the play, in response to being overexcited or overwhelmed, and usually not out of aggression. Parrotlet's zoomies behavior is rapid, erratic movements, flying and jumping around the cage or room, appearing hyperactive. Will do this when feeling playful, and to release pent-up energy, or to deal with being overstimulated. The tall stance is a sign of curious behavior, and may be a way to assess and prepare for any perceived danger. They may adopt a more streamlined or skinny posture, when startled or scared by a loud noise. Preening is instinctual social behavior, and when your parrotlet grooms your skin, it's expressing the affection and trust it has for you. Bowing the head is a submissive and trusting behavior, indicating that they feel comfortable and safe with you. Offering a gentle massage or preening their head feathers can be a way to strengthen your bond. Zeke is trying to bite the keyboard. He realizes he can't manipulate the keys as he desires. In this moment, his body language shows signs of agitation. This rustling sound triggers an instinctive response to react or investigate. It can signal something is about to happen. Once the noise stops and Zeke realizes there's no threat, he feels comfortable enough to engage in grooming behavior. Zeke is displaying a natural defensive response to the wasp. He views it as a potential threat and communicates by lunging forward with an open beak to say back off. The wasp understood Zeke, and flew away. Parrotlets are bedtime poopers. Their droppings are easy to catch since they usually remain stationary while sleeping. Green and brown are the typical colors of their droppings due to eating seeds and fortified foods like harrisons. When they consume vegetables like sweet potato, their poop can temporarily have an orange hue. Parrotlets can make a wide range of vocalizations. Here Zeke sees something outside as a potential threat, and projects an alarm call. Parrotlets can display a rapid head twist for various reasons. It can be a way to get a better focus on something, or when done with chirping, it can be an indication of being overstimulated. When a parrotlet is engaged in a variety of positive natural behaviors, they are less likely to develop negative habits or behaviors associated with boredom or stress. When there are opportunities for flight, foraging, chewing, exploration, bathing and socialization, parrotlets can engage in behaviors that are essential for their mental and physical well-being.
Great.